What if the power went out right now? Could you feed your family a real dinner? What if it stayed out for an entire month? What's really in your pantry? This delicious, savory mulligatawny is a hearty dinner that you can throw together even when the power is out. And if you don't have a gas stove, you can make it with this easy gas camp stove. And here's the twist. All the ingredients are 100% straight from your pantry. I call it Grid Down Gourmet. No fridge, no power, no problem. I spent years building meals that work in real life and in emergencies. I don't do bland survival food. I build pantry systems that taste like you ordered takeout. It's not your crazy uncle's prepper food, but it is emergency ready. Every delicious recipe I make feeds you today and protects you tomorrow. It's daily life dinner and emergency food all in one. A true 2-for-1. This Indian mulligatawny is hearty, savory, and creamy. Is it truly authentic Indian cuisine? No, I'm a white girl from Texas making meals straight from the pantry, but it is insanely delicious and pretty darn close. And here's the wild part. You could buy all these ingredients today, store them properly for a year, and it would taste just as good as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They save your weeknight and they save your future. Power outage, storm, empty shelves, you're calm, you're fed. You're not in the panic line at the store. Keep watching. I'm about to show you how to make this apocalypse-proof mulligatawny step by step. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your Grid Down Gourmet rebel, the I hate to cook master. Turning pantry ingredients into real meals. I've hacked the system. No more hours in the kitchen, no more dinner stress. Everything you need for dinner is already in your pantry. And I'll show you how to turn it into meals your family will actually love. And it's delicious, fast, and cheap. Be sure to follow me and I'll make sure that you never have to stress about dinner ever again, even when the grid goes down. I'm hungry, so let's go. Here's everything that you're gonna need. Red lentils, canned carrots, canned chicken, coconut milk, diced potatoes, dehydrated onions, dehydrated bell peppers, chicken bouillon, curry, and water. Start with a large pot over medium heat. Combine your lentils, dehydrated onions, dehydrated bell peppers, and your water. Let that boil for about 10 minutes. Then add your drained canned chicken, coconut milk, diced potatoes, chicken bouillon, and curry. Simmer for about 10 to 15 more minutes. Right before you serve it, add your drained carrots and stir well. The result, flavorful, hearty, delicious Indian mulligatawny that your family will love on any random Thursday or during a power outage, because it's all straight from your pantry. If dinner's been feeling like a never-ending chore, it's time to ditch the hours of meal prep and follow me for quick, shelf-stable meals that actually taste delicious. To get all my recipes, head to loadedpotato.org for all my full meals, meal plans, grocery list, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. While you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow or 30 years from now. Just go through, pick all your favorite meals, and we'll build your grocery cart all for you. And you can even add it to your Walmart or Amazon cart, all free. No stress, no guesswork, never worry about dinner again. Loadedpotato.org. Till next time. That's so freaking good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna eat the whole pot of this. This is so delicious. That is not part of my script.